All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone around the world, good morning and welcome back to fishing. So it is mid-November, about early mid-November at this point. We're about to head out and do some TOG fishing. At least that's the plan. I'm not sure how well this is going to pan out because we are fishing shallower and the water temps are definitely starting to drop down a bit. So I'm hoping, really putting a lot of faith in these fish still being around. And I know they are, but I don't know if they'll be as shallow as I'm going. So here's to hoping it works out. But honestly, I'm down to catch whatever. I've only got one day to really fish and the weather doesn't look great. We're going to get some wind. But we're going to try and make the most of it. So be targeting structure. Maybe there'll be some porgies around. Maybe we'll get into some stripers. I don't know. But we're just going to work with what we got and hopefully show you something good. This might be one of my last saltwater videos of the year, depending on how things pan out. So do stay tuned because, folks, you know what we're about to do. Get some fishing accomplished. Stay with us. Okay, so far it's like glass, but we know this won't last. So we're gonna make the most of this. Did bring the anchor, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it yet. Play it by ear, see what the conditions are like, see what the bite is like. Move around, and if we can get on a good bite, we'll stay on it and consider anchoring up, depending on how the wind and the current go. Let's get out there. All right, we're gonna give this spot a shot first. It's where I did okay last time. It's definitely a little deeper here, and now that it's getting colder, that might be the way to go. See what the current's like before we decide if we want to anchor or not. See if it's feasible and safe, yada yada. Also don't want to lose my anchor. There's a ton of structure here. So let's get our bait ready. And yeah, we'll take it from there. See if anyone's home. Start with the jig. Got some life down there. Got that time. Not a bad fish. Get out of that current. Jeez. Not a bad one to start with. It's close to keeper size. Well, maybe 13, 14 inches. Good sign though. Good way to start. Cool. That's a good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, jeez. That'll be close. Probably not, though. Probably a 15-incher. I don't think so, but maybe. 15 and a half. Nice fish though. Okay, we just got another very close short, 15 and a half, so definitely in the right direction of what we want to see, but we have to do a little better if we want to take home some meat. Let's keep trying. Go. These are better size shorts. Got on now. Active, willing, and ready. It's 3 fish on 1 piece of crab, and I could probably throw this back down, but we'll put a new one on. So we can get a bigger one. We're getting on a good bite right now. I apologize if the lens is getting all smeared up. I forgot my cloth and a lot of other things today, so Just do the best I can to keep this thing clear. That's a better one. Oh, hello. I'm getting closer to keep her, but I'm still not going to keep this year. It's a 14-incher. Got you right through the eye socket. Sorry, girl. Pretty, though. And plenty of TOG, which is a good thing. Let's try a good bigger one. Definitely more TOG here than last time I was here. And it doesn't look like there's any porgies, though I shouldn't say anything yet. Current is ripping over here. There we go. That's a good one. Better one. I don't think it's big. Felt good for a sec. Not terrible. Better than the ones I was getting in that other spot. This crab is really staying on well today. I'm surprised. Got him that time. Such a cool looking fish. Another short. Tide is moving. That's why I'm not throwing the anchor. I get a little nervous when this stuff is ripping so close to the bridge. It's a little sketchy. I'd rather just go with the flow. Shallower may be a different story. Plus, I don't want to lose my anchor. There's a ton of structure down there. So we'll make do, even if it isn't ideal. Maybe a little, but we're having fun. I'm sure there was a big mama or two down there. Of course, it's like very compromised position. Oh no, broke me off. Dang, I knew that would happen. All right, we just got snapped off. I think I was a little too close to the structure when I had that fish on. Didn't feel huge, but it felt decent. Let's go back in. Brought a lot less leader line than I thought, so that's a problem, but that should be enough to get through. In case you're wondering, 10-pound test, braid, the main line, 25-pound test, fluorocarbon leader, cigar for the leader, and it seems to be doing the job. Unless it rubs up against that cement, then there's not much I can really do, so other than just try not to let that happen in the first place. Wind is picking up too, so that's going to be a thing. Knew that was a fish. Is it a porgy? No, it's a blackfish. Thought it was a porgy for a sec, but no. Definitely just had another bite right in this corner. Tough spot to fish though, but a lot of fish are hanging out here in this current for whatever reason. Probably a ton of structure. There we go. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Maybe not, I don't know. It's in the current. Feels nice. Not that nice. I don't know. I don't know. Who cares? It's fun. Better, but not big. Just got inside that current and thought he was a big one, or she was a big one. Okay, we've hit a lull in the action. I just changed my GoPro battery, so those of you that have been following the channel know what time it is. Seltzer time. So we've gone highbrow before. You know, we've done the Perrier, we've done the Polar, we've done the Aha, but now we're going the polar opposite, no pun intended. With this palate cleanser, we have a store brand Stop and Shop lemon lime. So let's see how it holds up to the competition. Definitely notes of lime, crisp body, very full flavor. Yeah, I mean, this is good. I definitely would recommend this if you don't want to go full price for the the brand loyal stuff, and definitely worth a shot. Speaking of worth a shot, I think this fishing definitely was worth a shot today. Let's see if we can get back on the action as things have slowed down a little. There's definitely still some life around. Pile of something over here. Hopefully they're still around. Gotcha that time. Finally. Okay, the last hour has been really slow, just a really spotty bite, but I just got a small one. The battery might have been messed up, so I don't even know if you saw it, but we're just running and gunning, checking spots out, giving them a couple minutes, and if nothing's there, we're moving on. But looks like we found a few fish over here, so hopefully that guy wasn't alone. Little guys. There's not the size we want to see. Definitely better than the last one. Not much though. Easy come, easy go. Thinks he's big, but he's not. Better than the last one though, that's for sure. Step in the right direction. Chunky girl. Getting closer. Another 13, 14 incher. Fun size, but not keeper size. At least not in 2021. Okay, we're getting a lot of close shorts, which is a good sign. If they're around, then there's got to be some that are like just over that 16-inch threshold. So we're gonna really hammer these until we're just confident that we've done all we could to catch all the fish that are hanging out here. Those last two were both like 14 to 15 inches, so we're right there. Even if it's only one, it's worth it. Hopefully we can just sneak them out before this wind gets too violent. Almost. Another decent one. That might just make it. That's very close. Nice white chin. I'm gonna measure you. You're the closest in a while. Let's see what we got. I don't think so, but maybe. Just touching, almost 15. The white chin got me going. The white chin got me going. Pretty good bit. Already on. Nice pile of fish right here. Another nice short. And again, let me keep the crab. Striper. What do you know? That's a surprise. Look how skinny he is too, jeez. Was not expecting that. What do you know? What a surprise bycatch. Just got a little striper. It's funny because I was contemplating going striped bass fishing someplace completely different today, but due to the forecast of the winds, I decided that would probably not be a very good use of time, so hence the reason I'm here where it's a bit more sheltered for TOG, but it's good to see we couldn't escape them regardless. Feels nice. Feels nice. Is it? Yeah, it's alright. That's close. Closest one in a while. I don't think so though. Another like 15-incher probably. It's a 2022 keeper. I'm not even gonna measure this fish. Probably like 15 inches. Alright, looks like we're hitting another lull. Bite just kind of shuts down. Fish disappear. Definitely still some fish around, just nothing like it was where it was non-stop for like a good 30 minutes. Couldn't even keep the crab on the hook. Might make another move, try and get someplace a little more sheltered. It's just getting a little hairy. Plus the tide's going out, so it's getting shallower too. Go somewhere a little deeper, a little more sheltered. I don't know. I don't have too much time left to fish, so if we find something that works, we're just going to stick to it, but otherwise we're willing to mix it up a notch. Here's a new spot, and it is deep. If anything down there can be big, but yeah, this is like my last hope really. Maybe hit up the spot I started at and then make my way back. See how we do. See if anything's down there. Eager to bite. Got him that time. Oh yeah, pulled you out of the depths. Pulled you out of the depths. Oh. Easy. Let's not snap a tip. Alright. Time to see what else is down there. Right. That feels better. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. That might be a step in the right direction. I don't think it's a keeper. Better than the last one though, unless he's foul hooked. Oh wow, look at that chunky guy. Look at that chunkster. Maybe. You're gonna be close. You are going to be close. Whoa, look at the colors in that tog. You are gonna be so close. No, 15 and a half, but what a chunky fish. Oh my god. Spitting up the crab. So you came out of the depth, so let's just double check. This thing is so fat. Yeah, 15 and a half. Oh, that last fish was so close. 15 and a half. And it was thick. I mean, that was a keeper. We would have gotten some really nice fillets off her, but it wasn't meant to be. But it's a good sign. Maybe this is how we should finish and start next time. Just go deep. girl. Okay, we're on a pretty good pattern right now. Just trying not to slam into this dock. Could even tie up, but I'd prefer not to with this wind. I'd rather go with the flow rather than be fixed, just taking it. That might be good. Oh, this is a good one. Yeah, get on that dock. This might be the fish we've been looking for. Oh, so close. It's gonna be another squeaker. Come on, around here. Another squeaker. I think this one will do though. That one's gonna be really, really close. It's so thick, but I don't think it's very long. Another 15.5-inch fish, go figure. Another 15.5-incher, so we're doing good. It's so thick. This is a good one. This one's definitely not foul hooked. He was running with it. Probably another right on the line fish. Ooh. Feel that wind, folks. Come on, be a keeper. Oh yeah, that's gotta be 16. Then again, I don't know, this is probably like the same fish I've just been catching over and over again. Oh, this fish is just so thick. It's like a 14.5-incher. Well, it'd be easy to leave if it was like a slow bite, but we are crushing it right now, folks. Just trying not to slam this too hard. That's a good one. Another really close fish. Tease. Maybe. Probably not. Nah. It's like a 15-incher. They're all like right there on the line. There we go. That's a nice one. Feels nice. Losing weight. Another solid short. So fat. Look at these things. Things are fed very, very well. This thing's so much fatter than the ones I was keeping out east. Alright, that one got to be a bit much, so we're fishing the other side of the structure, which is even deeper, obvious. Which may or may not be obvious. Still a bit of wind here, but at least it's not as rolly. I'm not going to fish too much longer. I don't even know how I stuff the crabs left, to be honest. But let's see if there's any fish on this side. That was eating it. What is this? It's big. It's an immediate grab. It's big. It's really big. Jeez. No. Oh my God, that was a big fish. Might have been a striped bass. I don't know. Didn't feel like a blackfish. Damn it. Just wanted to see what that was. Biggest fish I've hooked in a while. Okay, folks, that's going to do it for this session. It's just getting too nasty out. And weather's supposed to get pretty crummy later, and it looks like there's some clouds rolling in, so that's my cue to get out of here. Didn't get the keeper I was looking for, but I had a lot of fun. That last hookup, I don't know what it was. I don't think it was a TOG, but who knows. Felt good, though. But otherwise, you know, I had a good time. You know, anytime I can get out in November and catch a lot of fish is always a winner, so beats just sitting around doing nothing. So I hope you enjoyed. Please hit that like button if you haven't done so already, and thank you if you have. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider. Plenty more fishing stuff to come soon. Salt fresh. I don't really know what it's going to be, but it'll be something. And as always, thank you for watching. Promise to keep fishing going, hoping to get a video up a week, but we'll see what happens. This time of year can always be very unpredictable, but I'm going to give it everything I got. So thank you for watching, of course, and I'll catch you in the water next time. And finally, good